I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right.
There's nothing better than working really hard, putting that last ounce of energy you can conjure up into the cleanliness of your kitchen, living room, bathroom. You get it. We all have a lot going on in our daily lives. So much so that we have to let things slide occasionally. I mean, get it all done? Who really does that? Ugh, not me, at least not today. But someday, maybe, someday. As you watch me run through our house, wiping baseboards, cleaning out the refrigerator, vacuuming, etc., I want you to know that this house doesn't stay clean. If you're feeling discouraged like I seemingly am at this very moment, hence writing versus cleaning, I want you to pick up one small thing and put it away. Did you do it? I want to congratulate you because, as most of us know, starting is the hardest part.
Maybe if I try to fix this, start then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way then I change my mind. Baby, we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this, start then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way, then I change my mind. If I change the way, maybe we got time. I can change the way to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? If I change the way I love. Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this.
Okay, let's talk Christmas. I willingly admit I started Christmas shopping in early October. Maybe even late September. Where it took, I'm sorry, my girls are laughing in the background. I remember many years where it took most of what I had to buy a tree, let alone lights, ornaments, you get the picture. I don't remember any Christmas where the girls were disappointed. I think this is because I put the effort in with very little to work with. If you are struggling this year, and by the way, we are too, take to Pinterest if you must. There are a crazy amount of free, cheap decor DIY projects out there. Play the merry music and make it special.
Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough. right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions.
Yes, this really is the current state of our much-loved space, the living room. It's funny, really. I put this gorgeous rug down and voila! We gravitate to this warm and cozy room. I really like to focus my purchases on warm and cozy above all else, because that's what our home is supposed to be, inviting and relaxing. But this crazy, messy disaster, my daughter, 7, she and her older sister, 14, have been bonding so well that the last thing I want to do is break that up to clean a mess. So here I am, I will do this. And guess what? My kids will not fail because I did this for them. Sometimes, yes, dare I say, I do it for them sometimes. We talk about saying things through and keeping your word, words like responsibility, respect, budgets. There is a lot to take in, so if they desire to play together and make memories, I will clean the house. Just clean the house.
We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. You're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this.
Have you read any good books lately? This is my thing, the very thing that truly gives me joy. Oh my goodness. Have you read any of Colleen Hoover's books? Give this video a thumbs up if you have, and you know just how good they are. It's authors like this that keep you hooked. I mean, Verity, it ends with us? Yes, please. I'm contemplating my next book. I lead a book club, but we're talking John Grisham, Fannie Flagg, Baldacci, William Faulkner, Bachman. That's great, but I absolutely need to make time for romantic fiction. Thrillers, suspense. I love historical fiction. I mean, that's where it's at. But hey, I'm a woman, whatever that means. The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, yes. I think that's next on my list. So long, I could never read them all. If there was one thing I wish I could do more than anything, it's read all the books. Go on all of the adventures and live vicariously through the characters. Okay, I'm done with my warm pumpkin latte. I hope you found all of the motivation you need here. And if you care to listen to me go on and on, please hit that subscribe button down there. It helps my channel a ton, as they all say. I wish you all a very amazing holiday season. Thanks for being here with me. Take care.